How do I find a qualified dentist or oral surgeon to perform all-on-4 procedure? Hi, I'm Dr. Fong, the founder and principal dentist of Dental House Group and AO for Implants. Just last Thursday, Robert, a new patient from Rockbank, came in for a consultation. He told me that he had read a lot about all-on-4, watched a lot of our videos, and was finally convinced that it was what he needed. But his biggest concern was finding the right dentist to look after him. That's a fair question. How do you find a qualified dentist or oral surgeon to perform your all-on-4 procedure? There are a number of things to consider while choosing the right dentist to perform all-on-4 dental implants. First, because all-on-4 is a specialized procedure, so you want to make sure your healthcare provider has the relevant skills and experience. So please check your dentist or surgeon's qualifications. Where did they complete their specialized training? Then ask how many all-on-4 procedures they have performed and ask about their success rate. Also, don't hesitate to ask your dentist for patients' testimonials or before and after photos. Although word of mouth and online reviews can be very telling, real experience from real people can give you a good sense of what to expect. Here is the real trick. Read both overly positive and negative reviews carefully and look for common themes. Secondly, ensure that the pricing is transparent. The all-on-4 procedure is a significant investment, and you need to understand all the potential costs up front, from consultation fee to aftercare, as well as ongoing maintenance. Lastly, ask for a consultation. A consult is your opportunity to measure how comfortable you feel with the potential healthcare provider. It also gives them the chance to evaluate your specific needs. During the consultation, a well-qualified dentist would be able to answer all your questions confidently and make you feel at ease about the procedure. Here at Dental House Group, our implant dentists have graduated from reputable institutes. Together, we have a combined experience of over 180 years. Because dental implants and all-on-4 implants are two of our most popular treatments, we are one of the few dental clinics with a purpose-built general anesthetic facilities. We offer flexible payment plans, and one of our treatment coordinators can also guide you through the process of applying for an early release of your super, so you can get your smile back faster. So if you are looking to get your smile back with all-on-4, we would love to look after you. Simply give us a call on 1-800-GENTLE, DM us on social media, or complete the form on our website, and we will help you organize your consultation. See you in the next video.